Every parent wants the best for their child, the very best for every milestone of the child's life. As proud parents, we do. And in terms of education, we want the best school, the best college, the best university. But amidst that comes some concerns, some major concerns. The big question is, who is going to take on that financial burden? How will they fund it? How will they fund their child's future? Will there be enough money for all those major milestones, whether it's education, marriage, first down payment on a home, or their first car? Now you tell me, when was the last time your financial institution educated you on the simple concepts of how money works? A call to one of our financial professionals will help you to get that financial education you need in order to make the best decisions for your family. Financial education can make a difference in the outcome of your family's future. Don't leave your child with the burden of a student loan. Let us help you learn how to properly protect your child by registering for one of our complimentary financial education sessions. We can help you to properly plan and prepare for those major milestones with ease. Connect with us today.